Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Tools Feature Number 1, Spelling and Grammar, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and hover over Spelling and Grammar, four options appear. I'm going to discuss Show Spelling Suggestions and Show Grammar Suggestions first, as these features have been turned on in my Google Doc. When I go to the main body of my Google Doc, I can see words that are underlined in red and underlined in blue. Words that are underlined in red will have spelling suggestions. Words that are underlined in blue will have grammar suggestions. I can see these suggestions by right-clicking over the word, whether it is a grammar suggestion or a spelling suggestion. I can also click on Tools, hover over Spelling and Grammar, and then click on Spelling and Grammar Check to systematically review the Google Doc. If the Google Doc finds a suggestion, it will show me what it is in this menu on the right, and I can choose to accept the suggestion by clicking the blue Accept button. I can also click the white Ignore button to ignore the suggestion. Finally, there's one other option under this submenu. This final option is the Personal Dictionary. When I click on this option, a new menu appears. I can choose to add words to my personal dictionary so that these words do not trigger the spelling suggestion within Google Docs. After I have typed the word, I can click Add and it will become a part of my personal dictionary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.